Hey everyone, today we are going to explore a concept that is integral to how businesses operate and make decisions in the modern era, the Management Information System, or MIS. If you're looking to understand how data, technology, and management come together to enhance decision-making and operational efficiency, you're in the right place. First, what is Management Information System? So let's start by understanding the Management Information System. In simple terms, MIS is a system that helps organizations manage their data efficiently. It collects, processes, stores, and disseminates information to the right people at the right time. Whether it's tracking sales, managing inventory, or analyzing performance, MIS helps decision makers access relevant information to make informed choices. Management Information System equal organized flow of data plus decision-making tool. The concept behind MIS is simple. In today's digital age, businesses generate massive amounts of data. Without a system to manage this information, it becomes overwhelming and chaotic. MIS steps in to turn raw data into meaningful information that managers can use to make decisions. Think of it like the brain of a business, processing inputs and producing insights. Now, let's define MIS more formally. 1.1. Definition of MIS. MIS is a computer-based system that provides managers with the tools to organize, evaluate, and manage departments within an organization. It's designed to transform raw data into useful information for decision-making. It's more than just technology. It's the process of turning data into insights that guide business strategies and day-to-day operations. 1.2. Objectives of MIS. Why do businesses need MIS? Here are some of the key reasons. Supporting decision-making. The main purpose of an MIS is to provide managers with information that helps them make better decisions. This includes data on performance, trends, and business forecasts, improving efficiency. By automating data collection and report generation, MIS helps improve operational efficiency. Tasks that would otherwise be manual and time-consuming are done quickly and accurately. Enhancing coordination. MIS integrates different departments within an organization, ensuring that everyone is working from the same set of data. This enhances coordination between departments and leads to smoother operations. Facilitating strategic planning. MIS helps organizations plan for the future by analyzing trends and forecasting outcomes. It allows managers to make long-term decisions based on data rather than intuition. Resource optimization. MIS provides insights into resource allocation, helping businesses use their financial, human, and material resources more effectively. 1.3 Characteristics of MIS. Systematic and structured. MIS is an organized system with a clear process for collecting, processing, and distributing data. Integrated. It connects various departments within an organization, allowing for the seamless flow of information. Accurate and relevant. The system ensures that the information provided to managers is both accurate and relevant to the decisions they need to make. Timely. MIS provides real-time information, allowing managers to make decisions quickly, which is especially important in fast-paced business environments. Flexible. A good MIS can adapt to changes within the organization, such as new departments, products, or markets. Decision-oriented. The primary focus of MIS is to assist in decision-making, ensuring that managers have all the information they need at their fingertips. These are the qualities that make an MIS essential for any organization. Second, role of MIS in management. An MIS plays a central role in how managers oversee and control operations. Here are some of the primary roles MIS plays within an organization. Decision-making. MIS provides managers with accurate and timely data that helps in decision-making. Whether it's operational decisions or strategic ones, having the right data at the right time is crucial. Planning. MIS helps in planning by providing managers with historical data, trends, and forecasts. It allows businesses to predict future conditions and make plans accordingly. Control. MIS helps managers monitor performance by providing reports on various aspects of business operations. This helps in ensuring that operations are running as planned. Coordination. MIS helps different departments stay coordinated by sharing relevant information, ensuring everyone is aligned with the organization's goals. Performance monitoring. Managers can use MIS to track key performance indicators, KPIs, allowing them to spot issues and make improvements quickly. So basically, MIS is the ultimate tool for decision-making, planning, coordination, and control. Third, MIS process. Let's break down the process of an MIS. This is how the system works step by step. 1. Data collection. The first step is collecting data from various sources. This can be sales data, production numbers, customer feedback, or external market trends. 2. Data processing. The data is then processed to make it useful. This could involve organizing the data, performing calculations, or filtering out irrelevant information. 3. Data storage. The processed data is stored in a database. A well-designed MIS ensures that this data is stored securely and can be easily retrieved when needed. 4. Data distribution. Once the data is processed and stored, it's distributed to the relevant departments and managers through reports, dashboards, or automated notifications. 5. Feedback and analysis. The final step involves analyzing the data and providing feedback to the system. This ensures that the MIS is continually improving and providing more accurate and relevant information. MIS process: collection, processing, storage, distribution, feedback. If you're watching and finding this useful so far, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more content like this. Fourth, real-time example. First, Walmart. Walmart's MIS, real-time inventory management and supply chain optimization. To make things more practical, let's take a real-time example of how an MIS works in a giant corporation like Walmart. Walmart operates one of the largest and most efficient supply chains in the world. Their MIS allows them to track inventory levels, sales data, and supply chain performance in real time. For example, when a customer buys a product, that transaction is recorded immediately and the inventory is updated. If stock levels drop below a certain threshold, Walmart's system can automatically notify suppliers or even place an order to restock. This ensures that Walmart always has the products customers want on the shelves and helps them optimize their supply chain efficiency. Second, let's take another real-time example. This time, let's look at Amazon. Amazon uses one of the most advanced MIS systems in the world to manage its vast network of warehouses, delivery services, and customer data. Amazon's MIS tracks customer preferences, sales trends, and supply chain efficiency in real time, helping the company optimize every aspect of its operations. For example, Amazon's recommendation engine is part of their MIS. It collects data about what customers are buying, what they're viewing, and even what they're searching for. This data is then processed and used to suggest products that customers are more likely to buy, increasing sales and improving customer satisfaction. Amazon's MIS real-time data for optimized operations and personalized recommendations. Fifth, MIS and computers. A symbiotic relationship. Next, let's discuss the relationship between MIS and computers. MIS wouldn't exist without computers, and computers have enabled MIS to evolve into a powerful tool for businesses. Here's why computers are essential for MIS. 1. Processing power. Computers provide the speed and processing power required to handle large data sets and complex algorithms. 2. Automation. Computers allow for the automation of routine tasks like data entry, report generation, and even some decision-making processes. 3. Data storage. With the help of computers, MIS can store vast amounts of data securely and efficiently, making it accessible when needed. 4. Networking and connectivity. Computers enable different departments to share information in real time, improving coordination and collaboration. 5. Software integration. MIS systems often run on specialized software such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, or CRM, Customer Relationship Management Systems, which rely on the computational power of computers. Sixth, MIS and users, the human element. Finally, let's explore the relationship between MIS and its users. After all, a system is only as effective as the people using it. Here are a few things to consider. First, user-friendliness. A well-designed MIS should be user-friendly, allowing employees with different skill levels to use it effectively. Second, training. Organizations need to invest in training their employees to use the MIS properly. This ensures that everyone understands how to access and interpret the data. Third, collaboration. MIS encourages collaboration by providing a centralized platform where data can be shared between departments. Fourth, decision-making tools. MIS provides users with tools like dashboards and reports that make it easier to interpret data and make informed decisions. To wrap things up, management information systems are the backbone of modern businesses. From improving efficiency and enhancing decision-making to promoting collaboration and optimizing resources, an effective MIS can transform the way a business operates. And if you're looking for a deeper dive, I've linked a recommended book on this topic in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for sticking around. If you're watching this, I have a great video on operation management that you'll find useful. Click here to watch it next. See you in the next video.